Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use your PS5 DualSense controller on PC with Steam. Whether you are using it with a cable or wirelessly, this guide will walk you through it. So let's jump right into it. First, open your Steam application. Here on the top left corner, click on Steam. Now in the drop down menu, go to Settings. Here on the left hand side, there should be an option named Controller. Inside it, you'll find the PlayStation controller support. Next to it should be a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the option Enable. Now, you can use your PS5 controller on any game on Steam. If your controller isn't detected, just try reconnecting it or restart your Steam app. Thank you for watching and have fun playing.